Forrest, what are the factors you use to determine the value of a personal injury case?
Aaron, there's several factors that we look at to determine the value of a personal injury case. First, we look at the nature of the injuries. Is it an orthopedic injury? If it is an orthopedic injury, meaning a broken bone, they have a higher value as opposed to something like a soft tissue case. And I don't want to minimize those because those can be serious injuries also. But a soft tissue would be pulled muscles, strained ligaments, things like that. So we look at the nature. Second thing we look at is are medical expenses. And typically the higher the medical expenses, the higher the value of the case. Now that's not always true because there are certain injuries, for example, like broken ribs, things like that, that are terrible injuries, but the medical expenses are typically low because there's nothing that you can do to treat those. We look at, did the injury impact our client's ability to work? Because then you factor in lost wages and other economic considerations. Did they get behind on their mortgage payment? Did they get behind on their car payment? Things like that go into evaluating damages. The other thing, we have a lot of clients who may not work, stay-at-home parents or retired people, but how did that injury affect their ability to enjoy life? For example, we've had retired people who enjoy hobby farming and things like that. They get in a car accident and they're no longer able to do that. And so that has a tremendous amount of value because you have taken away a very important aspect of that person's lifestyle.
If you have questions about the value of your personal injury case, feel free to contact us.